Hello, Assalamu alaikum. This is Qayyum from Q's Basic Cooking, and today we are in the mood for some yummy noodles. So let's see what we can do here. We have some shredded chicken. I pre-boiled it with salt and a little bit of spice, so it's very flavorful. And then I took it off the bones. I'm going to take some corn off that cob, and then onion, cabbage, garlic, ginger, noodles, green onions, scallions, and some carrot, just a little bit for the color. And let's get started. Well, I'm not in the mood to make too much today, so let's see how many plates. When you hold it like that, that's one plate, 2 plates, and 3 plates. Exactly 3 plates. Now what I'm going to do is just break them in half. I don't want anything too big, just easy to eat. But now there you go. That's it. So I'm going to boil the noodles. That's it. Let them boil. Let's get the scallions. Carrots are already cut. Just 1 and 2. Just like that. Hold 1, 2, 3 together. And then just go like this, just once. Unless you want to make them very thin. I love the green part of onions. I really love it. Okay, let's put that away. And now let's just cut this part. Let's put the cabbage, just shred it. That's about it. You can see that I have more cabbage than anything else. That's because I want more cabbage in there. Cabbage is really healthy. So let's take the corn off the cob. Since it's frozen, it's really easy. Just press it down, take it off. That's it. You can see how easy it is to break it apart. When it's frozen, it's less mess. There you go, all done. All I have to do is to break it apart. Alright. Or you could put it in a strainer and run it under hot water for a few minutes. 1 minute. But me, I will just leave it like that. As you can see, noodles are done. Ginger, garlic, and onion is done. Everything is ready, so let's bring out the wok. Once everything is ready, there's not much to do. So let's just put everything together. Since it's hard to cook without oil, so always try to put just enough. 1 tablespoon, 2 tablespoons. That should be enough. Let's start with onions, then ginger and garlic. When I'm making the base, I always start with onion, then garlic and ginger comes after, for some reason, because my mom used to do that, so I don't really know, I just do it. Here comes the ginger and garlic. I have some soy, peppers, and some peanut oil. So this is what I'm going to add to the onion, garlic, and ginger. Alrighty, ready for the vegetables. Chicken is already cooked, so I will wait for the chicken. I'm just adding all the vegetables at the same time. Let that stir fry for a few minutes. Chicken is already cooked, so chicken is last on my list. If it's up to me, I will eat it like that. I will just have the vegetables. For the family, I'm adding the noodles to it. Half a teaspoon of black or white pepper. Adding the shredded chicken. I think we should add the noodles now. What do you think? See how nice it is? It's ready for the noodles. Nothing is overcooked. There you go. Vegetables were cooked for 5 to 10 minutes. Personally, I stir fry vegetables for 8 minutes. Noodles are already cooked, so toss it around real good. Keep tossing it. If you cannot do it with one, do it with two. Just like that. Toss, toss, toss. 4 or 5 minutes and it's done. There you go. Yummy, 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 yummy noodles are ready. Don't forget to subscribe. My channel is always trying to do something, come up with something better, healthier than what we used to do before. So don't forget to subscribe and give me a feedback. And that's about it because I cannot resist. Oh, it's so good. I'm gonna eat now. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.